What's going on, guys? It's your boy Devin or Deteki back here with a brand new video. I haven't been uploading in a bit or in a while or a long time. I don't know how long it's been, but the reason why for that is because I was gonna upload videos throughout the summer, but I got a summer job and I've been working every day ever since. So now I'm out of summer and I'm in school. It's been the first week of school, and I just been trying to get my stuff going through school and trying to get used to school and trying to find myself a schedule to be able to upload videos. So I have a small video for you guys today. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can make an eye-catching thumbnail, a thumbnail you can use to like promote your guys' channels or faster way, and have not have like a bad thumbnail, just have a good thumbnail. It's like an eye-catch people's like my fastest way to get subscribers on your channels. Just having good thumbnails. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can make a very good thumbnail and very easy way to do that. So let's go ahead and try that out right now. So I'm gonna open up Photoshop here. I have Photoshop already opened here. Go over to File, go to New, and usually the thumbnail size used to be 12 by 720. But I don't really like to use 12 by 720. I like to use 1080p thumbnails. So what we're going to be doing here is a 1920 width and a 1080 height. And the resolution stays at 72. The background contents can stay the same. When I make my YouTube thumbnails, there's 3 different parts where I use my thumbnails, like on different bases or based areas you guys can work on. So usually right now the text is going to be red. So this is the text area. I use the text area here, and what my video is about, like my video is about something right here. I put it here in the corner right here, or in the bottom right here somewhere. So basically, when you guys are making a thumbnail, you guys put something in the background, just anything abstractly or something that you don't really care about right now. So the first thing you guys want to work with is not having a blank background. You guys don't want to. So when you're making a video, let's say like, oh, watch this very video on me playing Fortnite, and it's all in one sentence. You guys don't want to do that. And if the title of your video is called "How Watch This Very Video on Playing Fortnite," you don't have to name your thumbnail that. You need to make your thumbnail less wordy, and have more simple phrases in it, and have everything aligned and not everything in one sentence. So this video is about me making an eye-catching thumbnail. So I'm gonna go ahead and make I'm gonna make some simple text. So, and I put everything to the left because everything is like more easy to read on the left. You don't read from right to left, you read from left to right. So I usually put everything on the left because usually that's where everyone reads from. So when you guys have everything done here, you guys can put every font into a folder, not into a folder, but into a group, each one into one group. So I press Ctrl G to put this one into the group. This one's already into the group, and I drag this one up to it. So I'll just drag every single one up into this group right here, and I'll just name it the text. And I hold Control, or I don't hold Control T, but you press Control T and you align it. I use Shift, and Shift, like, it aligns everything while you're holding Shift. This what it does. It just, while you're holding Shift, you can just like have everything aligned. So I put everything to the side. Make sure it's in the middle here. If it's not in the middle, you can drag it yourself. But you guys want to make you want to make a font where like it's easy to read and everything is like close to the eye. When you look at it 1 second, you already know what it says. So like the font I like to use is some people like to use it, some people don't. I use Bibis Nuit, I think it's called, but I like using this font. This font's like so easy to read. This font's like mostly one of the most popular fonts you can ever use, and it's fine to use like different colors in your font. That's fine, but not using the same or using different fonts inside a thumbnail is not very good because it just like throws off the reader, and you want to make sure that you have somebody reading your thumbnail pretty fast and pretty quick, and that they don't take time. You don't take your time away on trying to make some exotic thumbnail because it's taking you like literally days or 12 or years to like just to make some thumbnail just because you just want views. but this is like the fastest way you guys can get a nice good looking thumbnail. So this is basically just the side of my thumbnail is where the text is at. I want to add a background because the background is something that not a lot of people look at, but it's where it makes the whole thumbnail come together. So I have this background here, so I just put that background, I resize the background, and I hold shift. I don't like using making it like this because it just ruins the dimensions, but if it's from a corner to corner, it's fine to do that. And I grab this, I have to unlock this. So what I do, I get the black layer and I change the opacity down so I can barely see it. You don't want it like that, because the only thing you're gonna be seeing the whole time is you don't see the font. You're gonna be looking at the background, like it doesn't match whatsoever. So I like to dim the background so you're not always looking at the background, but you see the background, but you're not focusing the background. You're focusing what's in front of the background. You always look what's in front, instead of what's back. And then I just put everything on the side. So like so, I put this here because that's what the video is about, eye catching. And I make it white. There you go. So once you guys are kind of finished with the thumbnail, this is the thumbnail. It's pretty much finished. Everything is pretty much finished. You got everything on the left, you got everything on the right, but this is where you guys can go get creative. You guys can add strokes, or you guys can add different color fonts. So I have a fonts pack. It's down in the description for you guys. You can go download for you guys. It's Photoshop. It's easy to install. I also have another video for you guys. If you don't know how to use them in Photoshop, there's also a video down there you guys want to go and check. And yeah, so I like to keep everything silver, everything chrome or chromium, and just because it keeps everything basic and everything oh, okay, I can read this, and basically just how I want to. It can be anything, it can be any color. Honestly, it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna go ahead and stay with this red because this red looks pretty nice. And there you go, guys. So that's how you guys make a perfect thumbnail. When you guys have if you guys don't have gradients and you guys want to make your text pop out more and have everything more cool, you guys can go over to you guys' fonts, just like so. Click on a font, you go to press FX on the very bottom, go to drop shadow, and you can mess with the drop shadow settings. It makes the thumbnail look a lot more better, but I kind of added a lot too much, but it's alright because you guys can fix it on your own. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. I really appreciate it for all the love and support you guys have been giving me, and leave a like on the video if it guys helped you. That's pretty much it, guys. If you guys need help, leave a comment down below, subscribe, and make sure to post notifications so you guys know when I upload. And this has been your boy Devin, or Deteki, and I'm out. Peace out, guys.